In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit the checkout page in Wix. Let's dive right in and get started. If you haven't already, the first thing you'll need to do is log into your Wix account. Once you're in, make your way to the site editor for the specific website you want to update. The site editor is your home base for making changes and adjustments to the design and functionality of your site, so it's important to familiarize yourself with this tool. Now, when you're inside the site editor, you're going to look for the option labeled Pages and Menu. This is where all the pages on your site are organized. It's like having a map of your website, so you can easily move around and find the specific page you need to work on. Scroll through the list of pages until you locate the one named Cart and Thank You and click on it. This is the section where you'll make the changes to your checkout process. After clicking Cart and Thank You, you'll see an option for Cart Page, which you should click on. You might notice that there's a message indicating that your cart is empty. Don't worry, that's normal, especially if no items have been added yet. What you want to do next is to click on the Settings option for the cart page. This is where you'll find all the tools you need to customize your checkout experience to better suit your website's style and functionality. Within the settings, you have the flexibility to choose what information is displayed in your cart. This includes elements like item images, descriptions, and pricing details. Customizing these options can enhance the user experience and ensure that your customers have all the information they need to make informed purchasing decisions. You can also design the visual aspects of your cart, making it consistent with your overall site theme. Whether you want to change fonts, colors, or layout, spend some time exploring these options to create a checkout page that really aligns with your branding. Another helpful tip here is to edit the text that appears on your checkout page. Clear and concise language can make a big difference in the usability of your site. Feel free to explore the various sections and options. This is a great way to become more comfortable with editing in Wix. The more you explore, the more confident you'll become in making all sorts of customizations to your site. And that's it. You've just learned how to edit the checkout page on Wix. With a bit of creativity and experimentation, you can create a seamless and visually appealing checkout experience for your site visitors. Be sure to like this video, leave a comment if you have any questions, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy editing.